Today we're going to go over how you can use AI to help run your Google ad campaigns. Once you start using this technique, you'll understand exactly how Google ad campaigns work, and you'll start to get better results. To start off, I'm going to go to my Google Ads account. So you can either do that by typing in the search bar ads.google.com, or you can go over here and just go to Google Ads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a fake campaign just to show you guys how I can use AI to help us out. If we go over to my Google Ads account, so once you create your campaign and then go through the bidding and campaign settings, it'll bring you to the keywords and ads. And today we're going to be using AI to help us with the keywords. So for this example, I run a social media marketing agency, and we'll just say the social media marketing agency is targeting home improvement businesses in Florida. So I'm going to delete all these just to show you how to get keywords using AI. So we're going to head over to ChatGPT. I'm going to say, give me keywords for a Google ad campaign that is for my marketing agency and it targets home improvement businesses in Florida. And also what I'm going to tell it to do is include broad match, phrase match, and exact match. So I'll explain exactly what those mean. So say my keyword was home improvement. Broad match would be just home improvement, and Google Ads would just broadly match this term. But if you just want to do a phrase match, so anything like home improvement, like home renovation or home reconstruction, you would do quotations, and the quotations would be for a phrase match. And then another thing you can do is exact match. So if you want it to exactly match home improvement, you have to put brackets. And then this here would exactly match the keyword home improvement and nothing else similar to it. So I'm going to put this into ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. All right, so here we go. We have a bunch of broad match keywords, phrase match keywords, and then we have exact match keywords. And these are actually really good. You definitely don't have to use all of these, and you don't have to copy them exactly. But for this example, I'm just going to copy these down to show you how it works. So we're going to copy it and then paste it into here. So those are the broad match keywords. Then we're going to go back to ChatGPT. Here are the phrase match keywords because they have the quotations around them. And then we'll paste them in here as well. And then lastly, we're going to put in the exact matches because they have the brackets around them. That means they're exact match keywords. So if we copy these, put them in, and that right there is how AI can help you with your keywords for Google ad campaigns. And I actually find this very useful, not only for myself since I know my own business pretty well, but when I'm working with clients for Google Ads, this is actually really helpful because I'm not an expert in all of my clients' businesses. So this can give me a good idea, and then I can change the keywords a little bit to what I think would fit a little bit better. But for this example, these are actually some really good keywords. If you want to start running ads for your business or agency, there's a link in the description and in the comments below where you can book a meeting with me, and I'll go over results that I got clients and show you proof of my work. And then after the call, you can decide if you want to work with my agency or not. So that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you found some valuable information out of it, and I'll see you in the next one.